Facebook is shutting down its Pinterest-like experimental app. Facebook has reportedly decided to shut down its short-form content creation app Hobbi on July 10. Hobbi took cues from Pinterest and let users organize photos in a visual diary of sorts. The app first arrived on iOS in February from Facebook's internal R&D group, the NPE team. Hobbi users have now been notified by way of push notification that the app is shutting down on July 10, 2020. The app allows users to export their data from its settings, reports TechCrunch. Hobbi gained just 7,000 downloads on the US App Store, according to data from Sensor Tower. Facebook has said that its NPE team keeps experimenting with apps and shut down those which do not get traction among the users. Google has also joined the race to launch short video making apps with unveiling Tangi, which is focused on creativity and do-it-yourself (DIY) space. The app is a product from Google's in-house incubator titled Area 120. Unlike TikTok, Tangi wants people to learn new things. Dom Hoffman, the co-founder of the now-defunct 6-second video platform Vine, has announced the release of its successor called Byte. Instagram has launched a new video music remix feature called Reels, and YouTube is testing Shorts. In November last year, Facebook quietly released a standalone app called Lasso to compete with TikTok.